You must be the new student. Welcome to our class.
Hi, yes, I just joined today.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex, the class monitor. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
Let me show you around. Here's your seat.
Thank you. I was a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone here is friendly.
That's a relief. What subjects do we have today?
We have math, English, and science.
Oh, great. I like science.
That's awesome. Our science teacher is really nice.
That sounds good. What time is lunch?
At 12:30, we usually eat in the cafeteria.
Okay, can I sit with you?
Of course, I'll introduce you to my friends.
Thanks. That would be great.
No problem. If you have any questions, just ask me.
I will. Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Welcome to our class, Emma. Finally, it's break time. I was so bored in class.
Me too. That math lesson felt so long.
Yeah, let's go to the cafeteria. I'm starving.
Good idea. What are you going to eat?
Maybe a sandwich and some juice. What about you?
I think I'll get some fries and a soda.
Sounds good. Let's grab a table near the window.
Sure. By the way, did you finish the homework?
Not yet. I'll do it after lunch.
Me too. I hope it's not too hard.
I heard it's just a short worksheet.
What are you doing after school?
I have basketball practice. What about you?
I'll just go home and watch a movie.
Nice. We should watch a movie together this weekend.
That sounds fun. Let's plan it later.
Yeah, but first, let's eat. I'm too hungry to think.
Same here. Let's go.
Good morning. You must be our new student.
Good morning. Yes, my name is Emma.
Welcome, Emma. I'm Mr. Johnson, your teacher.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Johnson.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I just moved here from another city.
That's great. I hope you'll enjoy our school.
I'm a little nervous, but excited too.
Don't worry. Everyone here is friendly.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Do you have any questions about the class?
Yes, where should I sit?
You can sit next to Sarah by the window.
Okay, thank you.
We'll start with math today. Do you like math?
Yes, it's one of my favorite subjects.
That's wonderful. You'll do great here.
I hope so. I'll try my best.
That's the spirit. If you need any help, just ask.
I will. Thank you for your support.
You're welcome. Let's get started with the lesson.
Are you awake?
Yes, I just got up.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I'm still sleepy.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Not yet. I will now.
What do you want for breakfast?
Just some toast and milk.
Did you pack your school bag?
Yes, I did last night.
Where's your lunchbox?
It's in my bag.
Do you have your water bottle?
Oh no, I forgot.
Here, take this one.
Thanks, Mom.
What time does school start?
At 8 a.m.
Are you wearing your uniform?
Yes, I just put it on.
Where are your socks?
I can't find them.
Check your drawer.
Oh, here they are.
Did you comb your hair?
No, not yet.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it myself.
Where are your shoes?
They're by the door.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
I'm almost ready.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
What subjects do you have today?
Math, English, and science.
Do you have your books?
Yes, they're in my bag. Where's your school ID? It's in my pocket.
Did you take your lunch money?
Yes, I have it.
Are you taking the bus today?
No, I'll walk with my friends.
Don't forget your umbrella.
It's not raining today.
Still, keep it just in case.
Okay, I'll take it.
What time will you be back?
Around 3 p.m.
Do you have any tests today?
No, just a quiz.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so.
Don't forget to take your lunch.
I already packed it.
Who's picking you up?
Dad will pick me up today.
Be careful on the way.
I will, Mom.
Listen to your teachers.
Of course.
Stay focused in class.
I will try my best.
Eat your lunch on time.
I won't forget.
Don't talk too much in class.
I'll be quiet, promise.
Be nice to your classmates.
I always am. Do you have your key? Yes, I do.
Call me if you need anything.
Okay, Mom.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye, Mom. See you later.
Daddy, are you going to work?
Yes, sweetheart. Daddy has to go to the office.
But I want you to stay and play with me.
I wish I could, but I have a big meeting today.
What's a meeting?
It's when Daddy talks to other people about work.
That sounds boring.
Sometimes it is, but it's important.
Can I come with you, Daddy?
Not today, little one. You have school, remember?
Oh, yeah. I'll draw you a picture at school.
That's wonderful. I'll put it on my desk.
Yay, then you won't miss me.
I'll still miss you. But I'll look at your picture.
Will you come home soon?
Yes, I'll be home before dinner.
Can we play with my toy cars then?
Of course. We'll race them together.
Okay, Daddy. Don't forget to win.
I never win against you, champ. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Excuse me. Can you explain why my bill is higher than last time?
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Let me check that for you.
I bought the exact same items. So this doesn't make any sense.
I understand your frustration. Please give me a moment.
A moment? I've already been waiting for 10 minutes.
I'll pull up the receipt right now. Thank you for your patience.
I don't feel patient at all. I just want this fixed.
You're absolutely right. Let's solve this together.
Last week the price of this item was much lower.
I see the difference. There was a sale last week that ended.
So you're telling me it's my fault for not shopping sooner?
No, not at all. I just want to make sure you understand why.
Well, you could have at least put a sign up about it.
That's fair feedback. I'll report this to my manager.
I just feel like no one cares about the customer anymore.
I promise I do care, and I want you to leave happy.
Then what can you do about the price difference?
I can offer you a store voucher for the inconvenience.
That's not what I wanted. But at least it's something.
Thank you for giving me a chance to make it right.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.